Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 6 best study apps for coursework writing. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, LibreOffice. LibreOffice is the right application for the students looking for cheap course writing services to ease off their academic burden. One of the many reasons for doing so is that they don't enjoy academic writing tasks. Not everyone can spend $60 to $70 per month on an office suite. Thereby, the developers of LibreOffice are offering it for free. It has a wide range of features that replicate Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. MS Office is one of the best options for professionals and individuals who can afford luxuries. But LibreOffice is as exceptional and feature-rich as MS Office at no cost, and its word processor is similar to MS Word. Number 2, Evernote. Evernote's key focus and most significant strength is note-taking. Its organizational schema depends on the notebooks and note convention. Users can create notebook stacks by combining multiple notebooks. Besides, individual files are saved in notes that can be integrated into thematic notebooks. This app has a clean user interface on both desktop and mobile. Users can easily create a new note by clicking the plus icon. This app's most helpful feature is the template gallery. Features of Evernote: Web Clipper, Sync and Organizer, saves time with template, connects Google Calendar with Evernote and brings all your schedule and notes together. Evernote integrates with Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. Number 3, eWriter. It is easy for students and writers to get distracted using conventional apps like Google Docs or Word. The app is straightforward and is designed while keeping short film writers, bloggers, content creators, and students in mind. It pushes the minimalistic app boundaries and is free of irrelevant features. The app offers a 14-day free trial, letting you try the features before purchasing. Also, it is available for Apple, macOS, Windows, and Android devices for $29.99, which is a one-off free. When compared to other apps, it is pretty affordable. Hence, it is considered one of the best writing apps for individuals on a budget. Features of eWriter: Advanced Editor, multiple language support. It supports cloud connectivity to work. It provides live and real-time preview. Supports the latest operating systems. Number 4, Nuance Dragon Anywhere. Nuance Dragon Anywhere is a dictation app that offers professional tools for robust speech recognition to transform your voice into words. It gives the users flexibility on how they want to process the information. For a lot of individuals, typing and researching are time-consuming. And students are always looking for shortcuts to save their precious time. It is when study apps like Dragon Dictation come in handy. The app is indeed one of the best ones out there, and it comes in 4 versions. So, choose the one that suits your needs the best. Features of Nuance Dragon Anywhere: easy to use. No words limit. You can teach Dragon how to speak. Share documents by email, Dropbox, and more. Up to 99% accurate with powerful dictation. Number 5, Scribus. Scribus offers support to write various documents. For writing a book to research paper, it supports many users. With a clean UI, its design allows the presentation of professional effects. It helps the users to create PDF files dynamically and use a combination of colors in the text. It works on Linux, Windows, and Mac. It has been around for more than a decade at no cost. Scribus is best for designing books, but it is also used to create newsletters, posters, magazines, and documents. Features of Scribus: clean user interface. Open source software. Works effectively. Number 6, FreeMind Reader. It is a mind mapping tool that enables users to create images that depict visual ideas. FreeMind can help you create images that are easy to manipulate. This feature can be handy whether you are writing an assignment or working on a project visually. At the same time, you are restricted to linear structures in a simple document only. The software works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Plus, it is an open-source project, which means it is accessible to everyone, and anyone can contribute. Features of FreeMind Reader. Free to use. No ads interruption. Works faster with great efficiency. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.